So we are solving 6 minus 3 to the power of 0 times 8 plus 4 divided by 2. Okay, so first of all, exponents first, right? So 6 minus 3 to the power of 0 is not equal to 0. 3 to the power of 0 is equal to 1, right? So here is 1 times 8 plus 4 and divided by 2, right? Now multiplication must be done before addition and subtraction from left to right. So 6 minus 1 times 8 equals 8 and plus 4 divided by 2. Now division must be done before subtraction and addition. So 6 minus 8 plus 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Now subtraction and addition from left to right. So 6 minus 8 equals minus 2 plus 2. And now minus 2 plus 2 equals 4. No, minus 2 plus 4 equals 0. Minus plus minus.